Have you ever felt that there is a hidden power within you, just waiting to be unleashed? In the constant hustle and distractions of modern life, it's easy to forget that deep inside, there exists a wellspring of strength, wisdom, and creativity. Today, I invite you to embark on a transformative journey, a journey inspired by the ancient wisdom of India and the profound teachings of Sadhguru. This is a journey about rediscovering your inner power, breaking free from limiting beliefs, and embracing a life filled with purpose and passion. In the heart of India, spirituality isn't just a part of life, it is life. For thousands of years, sages and mystics have tapped into an inner reservoir of energy, teaching that true strength comes not from external sources but from within. Sadhguru, one of the most influential modern spiritual teachers, reminds us that our true nature is not confined to our physical form or fleeting emotions. Instead, we are vast, radiant beings capable of extraordinary feats, and that inner power is always there, waiting for you to claim it. Imagine for a moment that beneath the chaos of your thoughts and the pressures of daily routines, there is a calm, clear space where your true self resides. In that stillness, you can hear the whispers of your inner potential. This is the space of meditation, a practice cherished by ancient Indian sages. Through meditation, you learn to quiet the incessant chatter of your mind and observe your thoughts without getting entangled in them. In that silence, you discover that you're not your thoughts. You're the eternal observer, the unchanging presence behind every passing moment. Meditation is more than a relaxation technique. It's a gateway to self-realization. When you sit quietly and focus on your breath, you begin to notice how the turbulence of everyday life gradually subsides. Like clouds drifting across a vast sky, your worries and distractions pass by, leaving you with a profound sense of inner peace. Sadhguru teaches that this inner stillness is the very foundation upon which true success and fulfillment are built. When you cultivate this space within, you gain the clarity and strength needed to navigate life's challenges with calm confidence. But unlocking your inner power isn't solely about meditation. It's also about living each day with intention and clarity. Every moment is an opportunity to align with your deeper purpose. Rather than simply letting life happen to you, you can actively shape your destiny by setting clear intentions and being mindful of your actions. When you do this, even the smallest moments become powerful stepping stones towards your dreams. Sadhguru often emphasizes that transformation begins from within. When you change your inner world, your outer world follows suit. A key part of this transformation is learning to let go. In our quest for success and happiness, we often cling to past hurts, regrets, or the fear of the future. This attachment weighs us down and blocks us from experiencing the full beauty of the present moment. Ancient Indian teachings remind us that letting go is not a sign of weakness, but a path to liberation. When you release the burdens of the past, you create space for new opportunities and experiences to flow into your life. Imagine the freedom that comes from shedding all that no longer serves you, allowing you to move forward with a light and open heart. Self-awareness plays a crucial role in this journey. In a world filled with noise and distraction, becoming truly aware of your thoughts, emotions, and reactions is nothing short of revolutionary. By observing yourself without judgment, you begin to understand the patterns that hold you back and you learn to replace them with habits that empower you. Each moment of self-awareness is a step toward reclaiming your personal power and unlocking a life of authenticity, where you can pursue your passions without fear. Another essential element is embracing the uncertainties of life with courage and optimism. Too often, we let the fear of the unknown paralyze us, trapping us in patterns that limit our growth. Yet, as Sadhguru teaches, every challenge and unexpected twist in life is an opportunity for growth and learning. When you face uncertainty with an open mind and a willing heart, you transform obstacles into stepping stones. Instead of fearing what you cannot control, you begin to see the vast realm of possibilities that awaits you. This journey toward unlocking your inner power begins with small, consistent actions. Start each day with a few minutes of meditation, even if it's just sitting quietly and focusing on your breath. Allow this practice to become the cornerstone of your daily routine, a moment of stillness that centers you before the day begins. Then, set aside time to reflect on your goals and aspirations. Write down your intentions and visualize the life you wish to create. Remember, your mind is a powerful tool. What you focus on, you attract. By directing your thoughts toward your inner strength and limitless potential, you initiate a ripple effect of positive change in every area of your life. Incorporate the timeless teachings of Indian spiritual texts into your daily practice. Whether it's reading a passage from the Bhagavad Gita, listening to a talk by Sadhguru, or meditating on the words of ancient sages, these sources of wisdom serve as constant reminders of the incredible power that lies within you. They guide you, inspire you, and help you maintain perspective even during challenging times. As you begin to tap into this inner reservoir of strength, you'll notice subtle shifts in your perspective. Challenges that once seemed insurmountable become manageable, and setbacks transform into opportunities for growth. Your relationships deepen, and you attract opportunities that resonate with your true purpose. This is the transformative power of aligning with your inner self, the realization that you are the master of your destiny, and nothing can stand in your way when you believe in your own potential. The journey to unlock your inner power is deeply personal and requires both commitment and patience. It is a continuous process of self-discovery and transformation, a lifelong path of growth that begins with the decision to rise above distractions and embrace your true nature. It is not a quick fix, but a gradual awakening that transforms every facet of your life. So today, I invite you to take that first step. Close your eyes, take a deep, cleansing breath, and reconnect with the quiet, powerful presence within you. Embrace the ancient wisdom of India. Let the teachings of Sadhguru illuminate your path, and trust that the power to transform your life is already inside you. Every moment offers a new beginning, and every challenge is an opportunity to grow stronger and more resilient. Thank you for joining me on this journey of self-discovery and empowerment. If this message resonates with you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel for more insights on harnessing your inner power, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Remember, the journey to transformation begins with a single step. Take that step today, and let the timeless wisdom of India light your way to a brighter, more fulfilling future. Namaste.